geometric proof of the area of a triangle is real simple. Just make a box. It could be a rectangle, it could be a square, it doesn't matter. Make that a little cleaner here. Base times height will equal the area of your square or rectangle. There you go. If you want a triangle, you just cut it in half and you'll get half of that area. So you take 1/2 base times height equals the area of a triangle. This works real simple because there are right angles in this square or rectangle that I made, and there's it's a right angle on the triangle as well. If you don't have that right angle there and you're dealing with a triangle that has no right angles, then it gets more complicated, and I'm going to get to that now. Next up, area of the triangle. If there are no right angles, it's a little bit more complicated with some algebra, but it was still kind of fun to figure out. Take our big triangle here. There are no right angles in it, so we have to create a right angle by cutting it down the middle. There's our right angle. This section I will call A from here to here, and this will be one box, also forming one triangle. Do the same thing here. I'll call this C from here to here. The total area will be, the total length of the base will be B from here to here. So A plus C will equal B. Right here, A plus C equals B. Rearrange the equation and you get C equals B minus A. Just B minus A will equal your C. So I'm going to call this B minus A for this section from here to here. What I need to do is take the area of this triangle, add it to the area of this triangle, and then put those two together and I'll get the total area of this whole triangle. To get the area of the first triangle, I have to take this section A times H for the area of the box, multiply that by 1/2 to get the triangle. I do the same thing here. I'm going to call this B minus A times height, and I have to take that times 1/2 to get the area of this triangle. If I just do B minus A times H, I'll get the area of the box. I don't want the area of the box. So that will look like down here, the A times H times 1/2 is right here. A times H times 1/2 will give me the area of the first triangle. Next up, I want B minus A quantity times 1/2. B minus A quantity times 1/2, and then I multiply times height right here for the area of this triangle. Now I have to add those two together, and that's the plus sign right here. So 1/2 A times H plus 1/2 the quantity B minus A times H equals A. We have a 1/2 and H in both of these terms here, so we can factor out the 1/2 H, factor out 1/2 H, and we'll get A plus B minus A plus B minus A. The A's will cancel out, so you'll just end up with 1/2 H, 1/2 H times B will equal the area of your triangle. And it'll look like this, 1/2 HB equals the area of the triangle. To rearrange that to a more familiar looking equation, just flip the B and the H, you'll have 1/2 times base times height equals the area of your triangle. And so that is the proof of the area of a triangle of both a triangle with a right angle and a triangle without any right angles. And that is it.